difficult, maybe visible light in the camera. It's not so much the beams there, it's just like the way that modulates. Almost, not nothing like what I want to do. So, even though I can get the beams to split off from the, just can't get the damn thing to get over that way. Oh, it's so awkward. It's not impossible. It's just extremely awkward and difficult. You gotta have a lot of patience. Just a little breather, and that's all I need is a little breather.
I sure could use a little breather.
Up here, Magic. It's a bit cluttered up here on the. It's a bit cluttered up here, sweetie. I'm afraid I've got. Well, you don't mind laying down as long as they're flat surfaces and there's, all right, jump down. But it's a little bit cluttered up here. Well, I see a Qui-Gon lightsaber here. Well, it's green, but I haven't got blue and I haven't got red. Just trying to think what it would look like if I can project the red, the green, the blue all onto the same mirror. All right, you can get an RGB laser thing. Okay, that's cool. I like the way the low end of the lightsaber is kind of, just the amplitude of the frequencies of the amplitude, and it's just widening, flexing with the diaphragm and the pulse and the resonance. Oh wow, some of it's cool. I've got to get this round here to do the same sort of thing, and that's a little bit tricky because there's no diaphragm up here, and they got to be relatively close. I'm thinking of something. I've got something in mind, another thing in mind, but I think I'll keep it under my hat for the moment. I don't want to share it. I've got quite a few things. Mind you, this will look cool if I can get this a little bit more perfected. Oh, you're up here again, man. You want to lay on my lap? Come on. Come on, lay on my lap. I just like the way Qui-Gon Jinn really gets in there with the lightsaber. Yeah, I mean, Liam Neeson actually do some pretty good sword fighting actually, because he's done quite a lot of it in movies over the years. You know, so he's probably taken a bit of a liking to that sort of thing. Just like the way he gets in there and he just pushes in at his opponent. Go on. Just walks forward several steps and then slams it in. No fear. Just like a cat. Like two cats. Two Jedi cats with lightsabers. All you need is some post-production there, Bear, and you can have a lightsaber you and magic. You can have a slug out there, huh? Bit more smoke. I know how wide I want that beam to be. Maybe something multitude diaphragm. That's cool there. Bit more smoke. I wonder if George Lucas would be into this sort of thing. He likes light shows. Definitely got to perfect it. So now I know what sort of things would do. It's just getting certain materials. I mean, the Pringle cans are okay, but I don't know how to get it perfected as such, because they resonate at a certain frequency, which is a bit audible. And there's another way to doing this, where I can almost probably make the tone of the low end, the bass as such, a little bit more less, but get a lot more intensified on the actual, you know, the movement on the beam. I know what way to do that. But there's no way I'll be able to get the Pringle can where I need it to be at the moment, because the projection screen's in the way. I could do it with some secondary sub-bass speaker I've got in the room, quite a few of them. I could do it with something, you know, and experiment with that. I wonder if it'll look cool if I can get it sort of like, because not just working on these positions, it's other positions as well, near close to the floor. It's got to be also, I think, near close to the floor, or walls, ceiling, pretty much anywhere, just anywhere where you ain't going to get a direct view of the laser, because, you know, you don't want a direct blind sight with it, so it's not good for your eye. Anything, you know, moderate, yeah, things in moderation. You got to have things in moderation. Wow. So cool. Oh, bear's near the smoke machine. Wow. Even though this is on YouTube, it might have a fraction audio compression, but 424 matrix is not too bad. I'm only using the LCR, but it's still going through that pitiful DSU. Uh-oh, Bear's looking at the laser. Uh-oh. No, don't think about it, Bear. Misaligning that. Bear, uh-oh. Subject's on the mode. Come on, Bear. He's going to go behind the OLED. Shh, come on. No, Bear, what are you doing? Oh, God, what the heck is he doing down? He's looking at the sub-bass speaker. What the heck's he up to? I've had this laser on a bit now. It's because it's on a USB charger. Come on, Bear. See, look at that, I like that. Wow, I like the way that looks. See, I know that with certain low frequencies and wavelengths and such, and resonance and such, and specific areas of specifics of room length and such, and build up of low frequencies, it's random. I could put other diaphragms around this room, but that would have to be some sort of mini thing. Let's see how Bear reacts to the smoke machine. He blinched. But Magic doesn't like it. I don't think Sooty particularly minded too much. Magic just doesn't like it. He just doesn't like it at all, which I'll respect. Got to have a specific balance of smoke. Too much smoke and it just washes out. Or you got to intensify the light output, I think. So I'll see what the other laser's like. If one arrives, I'm not sure when today. But as this goes, hasn't neither got any hot. It's warm, but and I can see the way that, you know, the beam is shuttering it in a certain specific low frequency, because contact it's better on the AC3 laser disc, the Jedi laser dual. This is probably a Disney remix, blooming near field on a bloody 4K, for crying out loud. Because it looks like a 4K sort of upload, and if it is, you know, it's not like the original. Oh yeah, but I still like the panning on the lightsabering. Sort of like Obi-Wan, mule, stage left, and then half center into the center stage. But it's better when it's in the left center, right center positions. Wicked. Oh, awesome. Oh, wow, that was a good bit. And he breaks his lightsaber in half. The beam goes a bit more wider due to the low frequency. Not sure which is easier, non-sync music or a movie. Oh, still, yeah, the DSU, you know, it's still okay, but it's still flawed. Oh, like that in the centre stage, that low end. Of course, I haven't got any other diaphragms going near the. Not sure if it'll work. Because I've got the screen material. Not even sure if it's doable, because if the laser could even possibly pass through the screen, or I'm just trying to think. I'm thinking on multitudes of axes, X, Y, and Z's, inverted, upside down, turned around, back to front, and upside down. You know, and Obi-Wan's doing a lot of this bloody somersaulting and upside down and jumping around like it's the Olympics. That's what it looks like. Oh dear. Because, you know, there's a lot of sword. There's so many grades of sword fighting. So many grades. Samurai, fencing. I don't know, some medieval sword fighting. There's so many skills all sort of put into this. All this. You know, that's why they got the hire some guy many years ago. You know, swordsman, so he can develop these. You know, and when I saw this in '99, wow, it was like, wow, that's how it should have been. But, you know, because Alec Guinness is very old, and so he hasn't got the he's not very energetic, and neither would be Dave Prowse. What are you doing, Bear? My cat Bear's just being mystery because he's been looking at the way the laser's coming back here. It doesn't show up very clear back here because the camera's ISO. I can see it with my light, and I can see the beam still doing that sort of effect, but it's very dim back here. It's okay there, but as go a bit further down, a little few feet down, the camera can't quite pick it up very well because the ISO level. Oh, I can play that again. Wow, that's so cool. Can't get enough of this. Damn, I just need the red one and the blue one. I need a red and blue laser. And anyway, that's that. I'm gonna look for some other lasers, high-powered ones, blue, red. Yeah, but yeah. Of course, when you fade it down, you know, the fader, it doesn't react to sound. Actually, if I went behind the diaphragm, the tin, and kind of went ooh, ah, ooh, it would resonate, and then the signal, it would, you know. Wow, look at that. I remember when They turned laser on. They had it on TV or something. And they I think it was Oxford Street or something up in London. They turned this laser on, sort of thing. I'm not sure what sort of laser, how many laser or whatever. They turned this thing on during 1970s, I think, or maybe early 80s. And it goes all the way down Oxford Street. I'm not sure if they were bending, if it had corners, it had to go around. They were bending, reflecting, the on mirrors or anything. But wow. But it's just probably some sort of thing, to get people down Oxford Street, I guess, shopping during Christmas. Think about it. Capital